Hello, Shamanettes. It's Suzanne, the Beauty Shaman, and today we're covering 2025 beauty trends, and it is in full swing. I know many of you do the proverbial, eye roll when the subject of trends come up, but this year there are actually a few wearable looks for mature ladies. I know. Don't pass out. It's really true. Today we're checking out 3 popular trends that any of you can actually use. The first is satin skin, and thank goodness this is in, and glass skin from last year is out. If you didn't tune into the glass skin craze, you really didn't miss anything. It was terrible. The second is maximum eyes, which works super well on nearly everyone depending on how you use it. The last look is nude lips, which can be, a little tricky for we older ladies, but we will go through some techniques to make it look wonderful. Even with these fun trends, I'm always a fan of keeping it real and doing what works for you. I am pro-aging, so it's all about you, what you like and enjoy. My model today is Maureen, who's an editor and a very, very serious pickleball player. I'm terrible at pickleball, but she loves it, totally into it. But she wanted to get girly and glamorous. So, I am totally down with that. So let's watch her transform using 3 hot beauty trends today on The Beauty Shaman. The glass skin trend was rough on mature faces, so I'm happy we're coming back to reality with a soft satin look. As with any foundation, be sure you have hydrated skin so that it blends better and sits nicely on the skin. On Maureen, I used the shade in medium. An important side note on most foundations, your skin has its own pH balance that can subtly alter any foundation color. I recommend that if you noticed foundations darken on your skin, that you shop accordingly. In other words, if you buy a foundation that's slightly too dark, you might have issues matching your skin color if your skin naturally changes the color of foundations. The CC cream I'm using on Maureen goes on like skin, and personally, I wear it every day. It's a liquid to powder, medium coverage foundation that nourishes sensitive skin with a serum base of bioferment serum and avocado oil. It adapts to your skin and holds up beautifully. Eyes are back, and that makes my skirts fly up. Maureen has large green eyes, which is perfect for using a new cream eyeshadow by PROMETICS called VIOLETA. It's a soft violet cream shadow that goes on easily, doesn't crease up on mature eyes, and isn't overly purple. It has a little iridescence that is soft and pretty without becoming garish. I like to use it all around Maureen's eye, in the crease, and then blend it for an all-over color wash. After that, I used a black waterproof eyeliner pencil all around her eyes and in the waterline for the maximum look without using too much. Black can be hard on mature women to use, so judge whether or not your eyes can handle it. You can always use charcoal or dark brown if black is too strong. Then I blended the edges of the liner and added dark purple shadow to the outer lid to add more drama. After applying eyelash primer and mascara, Maureen's eyes really stand out. Love it. Nude lipstick on mature faces looks, like death, if it's not done correctly. The trick is to use a neutral but slightly stronger liner and then a lip shade with a little color mixed in so that your lips don't vanish. The fuller your lips, the more nude you can go. But on thin lips, you have to be sure there's some definition. On Maureen, I'm using a neutral liner overdrawn to make her lips appear larger with a pinky brown satin lipstick. You can only get away with nude lips if you create a stronger eyeshadow look. Otherwise, you will just look dead, and we're not going for dead today. For the finishing touches, I curled Maureen's hair and backcombed it at the roots and added some hairspray in order to make it stand up even more. I wanted her hair to look wild and funky, and I think we did it.
Normally, I don't really do much with my makeup. I spend like 2 minutes on it, and I think that I look naturally beautiful, to be honest. With this makeup that you've given me, I feel incredible. I feel so different, and I feel inspired, honestly, to do my makeup, to spend a little more time with it. I like that you told me what you were doing while you were doing it, and told me why you were doing it, and also how I could do it. What things would work for me, which things would maybe take me more time than I might actually want to commit, so that I know exactly what I can do and what I may not actually want to spend time on, to be honest.
Right.
I thought that I was bringing my eyes out, but now that I see my eyes like this, I know that I really wasn't.
Yeah.
I really like the way the Violeta brings my green eyes out. I had, I think, read once before that this kind of color would work with my eyes, but I hadn't experimented with it. And now that I see it, I definitely plan to use it. I never really gave much thought to cream eyeshadow before, or how it's really an easy thing to use.
Yeah.
And now seeing the simplicity of it, I really like it.
Yeah, it's beautiful, right?
I'm so excited because tonight I'm going to an improv party and everybody can see my beautiful green eyes because of this color. I'm really excited to be wearing it.
Maureen really loved the look and is going to use the Violeta shadow to bring out her green eyes. I hope you try these fun trends, and please let me know your thoughts and questions below. Thank you for watching The Beauty Shaman.